Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about conditional statement. Conditional statement is a most important topic in Java. Without conditional statement, we cannot perform logical conditions. Conditional statement it is used to check Boolean conditions like true or false. In this conditional statement, there are many logical conditions like less than, a less than b, less than or equal to, a less than equal to b, greater than, a greater than b, greater than or equal to, a greater than or equal to b, equal to, a equal to b, not equal to, a is not equal to b. These are logical conditions we use in a logical statement. So there are four types of if statement. First is if statement, second else if statement, third else statement, fourth nested statement. In first we are going to start with if statement. In this if statement, when first condition is true, then code will be executed. Second is else if statement. When first condition is false, then else if block of code to be executed. Third else statement. When both conditions are false, then else block of code is executed. These are the statements in conditional statement. So we are going to taking one example. So let's consider we have three numbers. We have three numbers. First is num1, num2 and num3. Now we are going to declare three variables in Java. First is num1 is equal to 10, num2 is equal to 5, num3 is equal to 1. So starts with if statement. If num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3, then output will be num1 is max. Second, else if statement. Else if num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3, then num2 is max and num1 is a min. And in third statement, else statement. When both conditions are false, then third statement will be executed in our Java program. This is a example of a conditional statement program. Thank you.